सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. मतलब if you are living on this earth, so God give a helping each other nature. Sahanavavatu matlab give a helping nature for everyone and make everything good and peace for everyone. That is what the meaning of it.
एक भगवान क्या है इंग्लिश में?
God.
गॉड.
What is God?
व्हाट इज गॉड?
Mary Mahadeva. Mary Mahadeva is God. Whatever he is told, all the things are truth on this earth. So he is there. Ishwar is Satya. He is God. He is within you. He had given a number of knowledge to you. That is the God. If you believe that, so he is there within you. If you don't believe that, he is not there within you, or else he can't able to find within another person also. That is my God.
एक और. यस.
The real God is who is following the true dharma and karma for their present time. Means if they are in like family life, if there is a child like and 20 years old, or if he has done his studies or something, and he has to go for a job and he has to help for his parents, that is the real dharma and karma for that child. So like that, parents are giving a, when they have a child, so if they are showing the right guideline for the child, like live like this for the next generation or else whatever, so that is the real dharma and karma of the parents. If they are doing that, then that person is the real God, if they are showing the right way for your life. And if you come to a Sanatan Dharma, like if you are a sannyasi, if he is following whatever God says all the ways in a right way, like he is also a God. If they are following everyday daily dharma and karma, like whatever the God says that way, he is also a God.